Well, y'all, we finally made it to McCray, and we're on the farm. And we just passed one pond, but we're gonna go back here and try this back pond.
See, he got the boat. He got a boat on this truck. He just got that little truck too. He just got it and scrapped the boat on it. Who is that?
Sound like us. Bought a boat and a truck. But yeah, y'all, we're in Telfair County, and we about to do some bass fishing, some crappie fishing, some brown fishing, and here go the second water right here. There's like two of them right here.
Oh, right.
Yeah, there's two of them right here, y'all. So y'all get ready. See it back now?
Oh. Look at y'all. Trying to see if I see some fish.
It's three of them. It's one straight ahead, too. Man, oh,
I
that's
see
like
little
6
turtles.
ponds. Look at this. Well, y'all,
We have struck
my
though.
cousin has brought me where I need to be.
Hey, what's your lady clear for?
Crappies, bass.
This a damn frog pond right here. This a brim pond. This a catfish pond. Land brim pond. See, they going around.
All right. Well, y'all hear him. We got brim ponds. That's a brim pond. So that's a frog. They grow frogs in that first pond, y'all.
Yeah,
seen.
cause I ain't see no fish.
Okay, this a brim pond right here, y'all.
I see nothing but fish.
This a brim pond, he said. This a brim and catfish pond right here.
Then leave me in the middle.
Just leave you right here in the middle.
I'm a hop, skip all through this morning.
It's a boat out there. This the bass part. I can almost guarantee this. Look at that. You
Big
see I'm
bad.
jumping right there?
Big bad. I'm glad we got a truck and not the old Chrysler. Look at them, they all looking through here.
Hey.
Do you even want to get on the boat?
I'm trying to tell you, boy. Look down there.
Yeah, it's two of them side by side. Y'all see that?
Y'all see what we get invited to when we come fishing. When you a real fisherman or you a real fisherwoman, you get invited to land like this and farms like this.
I can't
You know what
believe
I'm
they
saying?
got all these different ponds. I've never seen a pond like that. Look at the little boat, y'all. No, we need. Ask them, can we buy that? Look, we still going, y'all.
We done seen, I know, 6 ponds, 7 ponds already.
I'm gonna put my suit on.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
At this point, it is. At this point, y'all, listen, man, these people have ponds galore.
These the two ponds I was just speaking on.
There's
So
a
we
swamp
can't
to the
go.
left over here.
I'm not going in no swamp. Now that's off limits. But I'll fish all this.
Yes, it's all.
I'll be so tired.
Yeah, I'm going to go everywhere. I ain't getting no worms. I'm picking up the bite pigs in here. Oh, look.
Look at the fish, y'all.
Babe.
Huh?
How you
Listen,
doing,
lady.
Hi, how you doing?
Listen. When she fish like me and you, I'm gonna tell you that right now. She don't care. Look, we got bodysuits and stuff, so she don't care about no grass. She don't. Me and you be in the boat gone fishing. She don't care about none of that. Trust me. You know how you two cave. I'm glad you brought me.
I never know how many people fish. You know what I mean? I want to go to another spot, but it's real grassy. You feel me? It don't matter. When you doing? It don't matter when you doing. Oh, these days, I see them right there. Days, green. See where you caught them Saturday? No, that was far off from the